guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I have been wanting to do this video for weeks now, and I finally accumulated everything that I want to be able to do this video. And so as you can see, we're outside on my front porch. It's not really a porch, I guess it's kind of like a stoop, but nonetheless we are going to decorate it for fall. And as you can see, I have my cozy flannel on, but Arkansas didn't get the memo yet that, you know, we're supposed to be transitioning to fall. Arkansas is a little slow when it comes to that. It's a little slow when it comes to a little bit of everything, but that's okay. I am anticipating the weather to turn over in the next few weeks, and when it does, I will be ready. So I may be sweating like crazy during this video because it's actually like 90 something degrees. The sun's finally going down, so hopefully it cools off, and there is a nice little breeze. So first I'm going to start by cleaning off what I do have. It's very minimal decor. I'll show you what I have before, and then I'm going to sweep everything and just start with a clean slate, and then I'll show you the after. Let's get decorating.
Jump around when I think about yesterday. Your smile, your style so fly. My, oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big old house? We'd pass our days on clouds floating around. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck, give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there.
Alright, you guys, I am finished, and I love the way it turned out. I ended up getting everything at Walmart, so I stuck to a budget and I successfully achieved it. I achieved the look that I wanted. I achieved, you know, staying under the budget, which my husband will appreciate. And I just wanted to make this realistic because not everybody can go out and buy brand new things every season. I will say a lot of the stuff is new because this is our first time having a home, and so we needed somewhere to start. So I will use this stuff for years to come. So it was very reasonably priced at Walmart. I can list everything below if you're interested. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and enjoyed watching the process, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine us two?
I hope that you will subscribe, and let's get into decorating. Happy fall! Now if Arkansas can just get the memo.